Hola good people, welcome to another video of my dinner diary. So for tonight I'll be making oven baked chicken with mashed potatoes and have these mushrooms that I'll turn into a creamy mushroom sauce. Kido like 1 hour ago I had marinated the chicken, so I'll go straight into baking it. Time sasa ni ya prep French beans and the mushrooms. Hizi mushrooms mwanzo sizi trust. I don't know, they're looking kind of fun. Zimeka kwa fridge for 1 week na zimeanza sijui kutan, but you know what, I'm wasting nothing. I am done prepping all my ingredients. Hii video itabidi umetry kufollow cause iko na ADHD. Inarukaruka from topic to thing. We have waru for the mashed potatoes. Imagine hizi waru ni 50 bob. Like Mombasa waru moja ni 10 bob. Well, my chicken is done. I don't know how long it's been baking, but it's done. Kupika nayo inabidi unatumia intuition. Hakuna stories za measuring ingredients. Anyway, chicken imeiva, so naiongeza hoho na kitunguu, then I'll take it back to the oven, nipunguze moto, alafu niongoje ive pole pole mpaka nimalize kupika hiyo chakula ingine yote. For the mashed potatoes, it's easy. Unaeka waru kwa sufuria, unaeka maji, unaeka chumvi, alafu unaongoja iboil. Then in the meantime I'll be making heavy cream for the mushroom sauce. Na karibu hivi kidogo heavy cream iniangusha. Imegeuka ka ugali. But it's never that serious. Unaongeza tu maziwa. Time to make the French beans. I am using vegetable oil and butter to fry my onion. You can use either. For my seasoning for the French beans, I'm only using black pepper and a Royco cube. Do you guys switch burners? Sijui mbona wanatengenezanga kabana kamoja kanatoa moto kidogo, kwanza kuna kengine yaka hata situmiangi. My warus are ready. Sasa ni kuzimash. First of all naeka butter, then I add milk and then nazimash mpaka zikuwe fluffy. Hapa kwa kitchen yangu kunanga rolls. You can do what you want as long as you enjoying yourself while at it. And on to the creamy mushroom sauce. Hapa you need butter. Sitakudanganya ati you don't need butter because we need it to be creamy. So anything that could help it to be creamy, the better. Butter pia improve taste. So after adding the mushrooms into the onions, I will add soy sauce. Nizi mix poa before adding my spices. Zatumia viungo unataka, then uongoje iabsorb, ikwe dry before adding a cup of water. Let it simmer before adding in the heavy cream. And if your cream is too heavy, add some milk. Let it simmer and garnish with fresh thyme. I don't have thyme, so I'll be using basil because it's what I can access from my balcony. Also, please note, my chicken has been in the oven all that time on low heat, covered in a foil with some green peppers and onions for that extra flavor. Meaning Kikuyu extra flavor. See you on the next video of Dinner Diaries by me.